bro. That's clean. Alright, so we're out here on Whiteville Road in Bakersfield. Man, this meat's more cracking than I thought it was gonna be. I would have brought all my. Damn, look at that. That's crazy. I would have brought all my camera equipment if I hadn't known there was gonna be this many cars. I thought it was only gonna be a handful of cars, but this place is cracking. Apparently it is every Friday night, so. See who cruises on by. That truck looks clean. Let's get a closer look at it. We'll see if he comes back around. Got a nice lifted truck going. Got a Charger pulling up. Homeboy's having a hard time parking. Oh, homegirl, my bad. Oh, damn. I didn't see that at first. Slammed ass Mustang. Thing sitting on the ground. Hellcat.
It's like the station and all it does
Oh, you're good, bro. Is this yours?
my buddy's right here.
Oh, man, that's clean, bro. That's badass.
Where?
That's beautiful. Oh, we got nitrous in the tank. It's a badass truck. I filmed this truck last week at Cars and Coffee. I don't know if it's the same one or not. I think it is. Looks like it. These are definitely the same guys. Because I remember seeing this truck going on, carnal? Hey, by any chance, did you guys cruise by a Cars and Coffee last week? Or 2 weeks ago? That was you guys, huh? I was the one that filmed you guys. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I recognized this one then. I wasn't sure if it was it. And then I seen that one, like, oh, for sure it was them. I knew it was them.
Estamos construyendo las casas grandes. Estoy de presumido, solo es para informarles que busquen sus sueños, que pueden lograrse. Vamos a ganar muchas cosas.
Mean ass G right here. What do we got here? Oh, we got a 7th gen Charger. I think that was a V6 though. Sounded like a V6. Got some Mopars coming up. Got cool power. Blower sounds badass. That shit's cool. Couple chargers. color on this thing is just wild, bro. This thing is sick. You hop or just what are they? Yeah, I kind of figured you did. I seen the front. He hops for sure. He's got to hop. You in any club around here or just ride solo?
I ride solo, but I got a lot of back here boogie.
Oh, what are they? All right. Yeah, that's badass. I love them. The G bodies of Monte Carlo is my favorite.
That's a luxury sport. That's the best car you can get. If you're not gonna get one from training day, you're gonna get a luxury sport.
Yeah, I had an 82, and then I had a 78 Malibu wagon.
You sold it for cheap, and now the value went up. The value,
bro.
Now the value skyrocketed.
I had to get rid of it.
Now I bought I had an Al Camino. I sold it, and I had to get something bigger though.
Nice single cab here. Damn, this is more of a truck meet than a car meet. It's like most trucks than anything. Oh, that one's badass. It's kind of cool, man. Everybody's just kind of cruising. I thought everybody was gonna be just parked. Everybody's mobbing and stuff. That's cool. There's always somebody that's got to go out with a bang. We got a Monty hitting switches over here. Let's see if he hits them again. That was a burnout right there. That was a burnout.
Pura clave especial por la empresa Dream Audio.
Oh, we got 5-0 getting close now. Let's check out these trucks over here. So you guys already seen this monster ass truck. That was a fat burnout. Let's see what else we got out here. Got the cat eye single cab. I love these trucks, man. Wish I had one of these. I like this right here. The only thing that sucks is not as lit over here. So. It's a beautiful truck right here. Oh, there we go. We got the money back. Nothing to see here. Keep rolling. Let's see, he's gonna circle back around. I typically, I'll give it to you here in a second. I typically film like racing, but there wasn't no racing going on this weekend.
That's why I came out here right now, because I was hoping because
I did too. I was like, maybe there's gonna be some, runs out in the orchards or something. But
I came from Wasco. So
oh, okay. I'm from Shafter, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The supercharger's on that side, bro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see if I can get it, because it's a little dark right here. There it is. That's a little. The hood kind of.
Blocks the light.
Yeah, and I don't have like a light mounted on this. Actually, you know what? I just happen to have a flashlight on me. There we go. That'll work. How much power are you making?
It's around 600 to the wheel.
600?
Yeah. It's got a 6.0 swap in it. It's got a big cam on it, and then the supercharger. I'm making like 7 pounds of boost.
Okay.
It's geared real tall, so it's a road race car.
Oh, okay.
When it was NA, I used to race it on dig. But now I put real tall gears on it, so it's for road racing.
Oh, okay. Man, there was a road racing event in Shafter like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, half mile.
Oh yeah,
The
right there at the airport.
right? We got 5. Oh, they busted somebody over there. Oh, damn. Damn, he did a burnout right in front of the cops.